Epic. So we're on. Fridge is on. You ready to chock it? An Amana made by Clean Mate. Sexy little fridge. Got everything you need. Happy days. Legend of a mate. The German tech swap and save. What a ledge. Here's me mate Ty. Knows how to reverse a trailer. What a skill. What a skill. Look how it's done. Look at that front wheel. It's all in that front wheel. How does he do that? I need lessons, man. Wow, my man's got skills. Look at him. I need lessons. Dude, that was precision.
Oh, yeah.
So me and my man Ty, we just picked up some fridge and a table and stuff.
Just picked up some stuff for the new cafe.
The new cafe, look at it.
Right there. Right there somewhere. It's over there.
There.
Out there.
There.
Oh, there. Right there.
YouTubers. Here we are with the main man. With the main man, Mr. Adam. Now. How many coffees out of a coffee? Of a coffee double espresso?
A lot.
Hey, what are you doing now?
No, I'm talking to you.
Yeah, no, what are you doing with, you managing me?
King Stingray, check him out.
King Stingray. Get him at your next venue.
Australia's next biggest band.
Next biggest band. We have running water. Wait a second. You got soap? Not much pressure, but it's good. Great pressure. Actually, look at that. It's picking up now. Kitchen's in. Phew. How clever.